So you guys are strapped for cash. Guess what? I got something that's gonna help you guys out for absolutely free. Yes, free. The free 99. Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives. You wanna know something? We're gonna help you guys get there too.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Yo, so what's up, guys? It's a dropshipping Terminator. You know, me and my partner, the Dan Vas. We talk all about that e-commerce life, baby. All about making money online, Amazon FBA, private label dropshipping, eBay, Shopify, all types of stuff, man. You know, just everything. That sounds good to you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stick around for a little bit. Get into the free Facebook group below because we drop all that knowledge on you, baby. Now, for all you regulars, you know what time it is, man. Let's go ahead, let's get right into it. This is gonna be more of a short and sweet one, you know, just to help you guys out, okay? Google Surveys. Google Surveys is free. You guys need to download the app, all right? Download the freaking app. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, download the app. If you guys have an Android device, as some of you do, you know, I have an iPhone here, you know, for business purposes, and then I got my daily driver right here, you know, my Android device. Yeah, Google Surveys is the way to go, okay? Now, Google Surveys, they just ask questions about the stuff that you've done, you know, recently. Like, where you been? You know, did you purchase anything? Like, just random freaking surveys, guys. And they take, like, no time at all to answer. Like, I've taken surveys that took me, like, 45 seconds to complete, and I got $1 and something, you know, dropped right into my my Play account. Now, you guys are like, oh, but how is that gonna help me? So, if you're using an app that accepts Google Pay, you know, you can use your credit that you get for taking surveys. I use DoorDash, and DoorDash is one of those apps that allow, you know, I like to order out sometimes, you know, for me and the kids. If I come home late from work and I don't feel like cooking, I got a lot of questions to answer, stuff like that. If I know I got work to do for you guys, then, you know, the kiddos are gonna get something good, you know, like PF change or something like that. You know, having that credit definitely helps, you know, soften that blow, getting some PF change, because, man, it's like a $40, $50 dinner, you know. But for other things, man, it's fairly cheap. Like, I've been able to, you know, have Wendy's delivered for absolutely free because of the Play credit. Like, absolutely free. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I had enough Google Play credit in there I'm like, yo, this is cool. I just ordered Wendy's and boom, that, you know, that was Pizza Friday. Like, we do Pizza Fridays here at the house, you know, so it's not always pizza. It's kind of like a junk food Friday, but you know, hey, why not? So yeah, so the kids wanted, you know, some junk food, and congratulations, it's Friday, I'm not cooking, and we got Wendy's, and I got it completely paid for from taking surveys. Like, guys, you get surveys like pretty much every day. I get surveys every day, you know, and sometimes I get 2 or 3 surveys a day. So that's more money coming into my pocket every single day. All right, money that I don't have to do anything for other than answer surveys. And I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, it's privacy, I don't want to give up my information. Fine, whatever, don't give up your information. Like, it's whatever. They're asking, you know, where you shop at. They already have all your information anyway. You guys have a Gmail address. You guys are using, you know, Google Maps or whatever. Like, it's done. All right, stop with the whole BS. You know, they know where you're at. You guys are using Facebook and talking about your baby moms and baby dads. Hopefully you guys don't have baby moms and baby dads. Hopefully you're with your partner. But you know, you guys are just spreading all types of stuff out there, spreading your business. They already know. So stop with all that. You know, for you in return for you to take these surveys, Google is giving you free money, basically. You know, why not? It's the same thing with the whole, you know, rebates thing. Like, why are you guys not taking advantage of that? Other than, you know, being lazy from time to time. Why are you guys not, you know, taking advantage of free money? You know, that's what we're here for, man. We're here to help you guys make money, and that's one of the best ways to do so. You know, free money using Google Surveys. Every time I get a new phone, Google Surveys is like the first app that I put on there. Everything else can wait. Facebook can wait. Google Surveys got to be on there because that's how I get that free money. You know, I'm all about free money. All right, I'm not playing. When I say I like free money, I like free money, and it doesn't matter if it's 30 cents per survey or $1 and something per survey. I'm gonna be taking those surveys. So make sure you guys are on the gravy train. Make sure you guys are doing the same thing. That being said, man, that's it. It's over. It was short, sweet, to the point. Now I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. You know, be safe out there. Be smart. Do what you guys are supposed to be doing. You know, maybe they'll do a survey on you guys, you know, doing grown up stuff that you shouldn't be doing. I hope not. I hope they never ask me that, because that's not gonna be a good survey. But yeah, man, so I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. I'm see you on in the free Facebook group. Shameless plug towards the end. I gotta do it.